Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're reviewing the best 4x8 pool pillows for above-ground pools, the perfect solution for keeping your pool in top condition through the cold winter months. If you're a pool owner, you know that preparing for winter can be a hassle, but with this high-quality pool air pillow, you can protect your investment with ease. This product is an essential winterizing tool for above-ground pools, designed to prevent damage caused by freezing water. The pool pillow acts as an ice compensator by absorbing the pressure created when the water freezes and expands. This helps to avoid the risk of pool wall damage, ensuring that your pool remains in pristine condition when you're ready to open it in the spring. Made from 0.4 mm thick cold-resistant PVC material, this pillow is about 3 times thicker than standard models, making it incredibly durable and puncture-resistant. The double seal technology ensures that the pressure is evenly distributed across the pillow, preventing it from leaking, tearing, or deflating, even in the harshest winter conditions. With the ability to withstand temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 180 degrees Fahrenheit, this air pillow is built to last and perform no matter the weather. The pillow measures 8 feet by 4 feet, offering ample coverage for most above-ground pools. It's a standardized size that fits easily into your pool, and its larger surface area helps distribute pressure more efficiently. When winterizing your pool, the pillow helps prevent the accumulation of debris and water at the center of the cover, which can lead to sagging and potential damage. This simple solution significantly reduces the risk of collapse and ensures that your pool cover remains taut and secure. One of the standout features of this pool pillow is its easy installation process. The pillow comes with an upgraded valve opening, allowing for quick inflation with any standard blower. It also includes 10-meter-long ropes that can be cut to the right size for securing the pillow in the center of your pool. Once the season is over, the pillow deflates quickly for easy storage, so you don't have to worry about taking up too much space in your garage or shed. Another reason why this product stands out is its versatility. Not only is it perfect for pools, but it can also be used to protect outdoor furniture. The air pillow helps prevent water, snow, and debris from accumulating on your furniture covers by eliminating horizontal differences. This ensures that your furniture stays safe and dry throughout the winter months. The pool pillow is made from materials that comply with the USACPSIA safety standards, so you can rest assured knowing it's free from harmful chemicals and metals. It's built with the environment in mind, providing peace of mind as you protect your pool and outdoor assets. Plus, with a 1-year free warranty, you can trust that this product is backed by solid customer service. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use solution for winterizing your above-ground pool, this 4x8 pool pillow is the way to go. It's built to handle extreme temperatures, prevent damage, and extend the life of your pool. This air pillow offers great value for any pool owner looking to reduce winter maintenance costs and keep their pool safe throughout the off-season. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of the best products on the market.